Hey guys, this is Ash with the Case Theory. In this video, we will be talking about one of Pitaka's latest products, which is the FlipBook Case for iPad. For those who are new to Pitaka, it is one of the brands that is known for constantly coming up with innovative products that are incredibly creative and different. The item that we have here today is not a case for the iPad. It is an accessory that acts like a bag to carry your iPad with Magic Keyboard. A quick thanks to Pitaka for sending this over. Do note, however, that this is not a sponsored video and our views are strictly our own. Let's go right ahead and take a look at the FlipBook case for the iPad. The box has got some weight to it. On the front, there's a huge picture of the actual item. So mine here comes in size 11. They also have one in 12.9. At the bottom it says a 2-go sleeve that opens and closes with the iPad Pro and Magic Keyboard like a book. On the other side of the box, you could find 4 different icons at the top with descriptions right below it. It's definitely a good read for those who want to know more about the product. You'll also find a disclaimer here which states that the item does not include the iPad itself, neither does it include the Magic Keyboard nor the Apple Pencil. So let's go right ahead with the unboxing. Pull up the cover to reveal a black Pitaka box, then open the magnetic strip at the front. You'll be greeted by a personal thank you message from Pitaka and what looks like a design of a bag. Just pull the handle upwards to reveal the flipbook. Do not be alarmed if the item looks nothing like a bag the moment you pull it out of the box. It will look like a flimsy skeleton. There are protective films which are supposed to be removed and attached to the iPad case. We will skip the installation portion for this video. If you need help for installation, simply refer to the back of the hardcover paper. Just scan the QR code for a detailed instruction guide. Otherwise, there are detailed instructions here you could refer to as well. So, this is how the flipbook should look like after the installation. As mentioned before, the flipbook case is only usable for those who want to keep and carry their iPad together with the Magic Keyboard. What we like about this case is how well it integrates with the Magic Keyboard and works as a piece. It is fun opening and closing it like a book, especially since there are magnets in the handles that keeps it sealed together. You could also fit an Apple Pencil in here as well. Another cool feature we noticed is the dedicated camera pad. When the camera is in use, you could flip the pad to the other side, which will attach itself to avoid getting in the way of a good picture. What easily makes the flipbook case look like a luxury item is the usage of premium leather material and durable fabric for the pocket. There are also fine stitches around the leather to make it look like a professional business bag. The side pocket can be used to hold everyday essentials such as charging cable, charging brick, and very importantly, the AirPods. Of course, if you prefer the sleek look, try not to put bulky items in here. To ensure that the bag stays firmly on the table while the iPad and Magic Keyboard is in use, there is an anti-slip silicone pad at the bottom that acts as an additional friction to prevent the bag from moving around. Overall, we feel that the flipbook case by Pitaka is a definite must-have, especially for minimalists who prefer to keep it simple and classy. Having said that, non-minimalists could also enjoy it because of its cool functions and mainly how it can turn your iPad to look like a premium accessory. So that's it guys, we've come to the end of the review for Pitaka's flipbook case for the iPad Pro. If you wish to get one for yourself, check out the links provided in the description box. Meanwhile, subscribe to us if you wish to get the latest updates on our videos and giveaways. Thank you so much for watching our video. Till then, see you in the next one.